Hello students, today we will discuss the molecular orbital theory. Beta, molecular orbital theory is just similar as the atomic orbital theory. Beta, atomic orbital is the orbital of an atom. Molecular orbital means orbital of a molecule. Beta, how molecules are formed? When two or more atoms combine together, at least two atoms combine together to give molecule. In the same way as the atomic orbitals combine together or overlap together to give molecular orbital. Beta, atomic orbital overlap or combine with another atomic orbital of comparable energy. Then molecular orbital is formed. First point, molecular orbitals are formed by overlapping or by combination of atomic orbitals of comparable energy. Comparable energy means slightly difference in energy. If this orbital is 2s orbital, it is again 2s orbital of another atom, or s orbital with pz orbital as the sigma bond formed, we will study, and s and pz, they are comparable in energy, not exactly same in energy. First point, atomic orbitals overlap or combine together to form molecular orbital. The atomic orbital that combine together are of comparable energy. Second, at the first point this one. Second, the atomic orbital overlap or intermix. Atomic orbital overlap or combine with another orbital to form new molecular orbital. These atomic orbital lose their identity. The atomic orbitals overlap or combine lose their identity to give new molecular orbital. Now, atomic orbital consists of single nucleus, but molecular orbital consists of at least two nucleus. That means our third point, that means electronic distribution around the group of nuclei as the electron distribute around single nucleus in an atomic orbital. At the third point, the probability of distribution of electron, the probability of distribution of electron in molecular orbitals around the group of nuclei. Better, this group may consist of 2 nucleus, 3 nucleus, 4 nucleus or more around the group of nuclei. As the probability of distribution of electron in atomic orbital is around the single nucleus. Is around the single nucleus. Beta, just this is an atomic orbital, this is also an atomic orbital. In case of atomic orbital, electron revolve or distribution of electron around this nucleus, around the single nucleus. But when these two atomic orbitals combine or overlap, the distribution of electron, this is the molecular orbital, and distribution of electron in molecular orbital around the group of nuclei. Beta, first atomic orbital combine together or overlap together, molecular orbital. Second, third, and now fourth. This is atomic orbital, this is also atomic orbital, and this is molecular orbital. Beta, fourth an important point, as the atomic orbitals are energy state of atom, in the same way molecular orbitals are the energy state of molecule. Molecular orbitals are the energy states of molecule, as the atomic orbitals are the energy state of atom. Next, beta, that fifth point, that is we generate from our hybridization, new orbital formed are same number as the atomic orbital intermix. Here number of new molecular orbital formed as the number of atomic orbital overlap or combine, as the number of atomic orbitals combine or overlap same number of molecular orbitals form. Sixth, beta, if two atomic orbitals combine, then two new molecular orbital formed. If two atomic orbitals combine, number of new orbital formed are two. One is bonding molecular orbital and another is antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital. Then beta, if two atomic orbitals form, two new orbitals are formed. First is bonding, another is antibonding. Beta, next point, bonding molecular orbital formed. Bonding molecular orbital is formed by addition of wave function of atomic orbitals. When the atomic orbital are adds up, beta atomic electrons in an atom move in wave-like fashion. Then this wave-like fashion, that is known as wave function. One atomic orbital in wave, another also in same direction, they will adds up. For example, wave function of first atomic orbital is this one, and another atomic orbital also oscillate in same direction. When these two atomic orbitals combine together, they will adds up due to similar orientation and are molecular orbital formed with high magnitude. This is known as bonding molecular orbital. This is known as bonding molecular orbital. And antibonding molecular orbital is formed. Beta antibonding molecular orbital is formed by subtraction of wave functions of atomic orbital. Why subtraction occur? Beta one wave function of atomic orbital oscillate in this direction and another one is in opposite. Oscillation of another one is opposite. When these two will combine together, they will cancel the effect of each other just like this. When these will, beta wave function of first atomic orbital is this one, another atomic orbital is this one. They cancel the effect of each other at a point, that means they will cancel out or subtract. Next, bonding molecular orbital is represent beta bonding molecular orbital is represented by sigma pi delta, but antibonding molecular orbitals are represented by sigma star, pi star, delta star. Star is used with higher energy less stable. Beta, this is our 8th 9 point. Bonding molecular orbitals has lowest energy, but antibonding molecular orbital have highest energy, higher energy. Then atomic orbitals combine. Beta combine or overlap, that is the same thing. These are the postulates of molecular orbital theory. Last postulate of molecular orbital theory is that electronic configuration of molecular orbital is same as that of atomic orbital. That means atomic orbital are filled according to 3 rules: Above principle, Pauli exclusion principle and Hund's rule. And molecular orbitals are also filled by using these rules. Electronic configuration of molecular orbitals are follow same rules as the atomic orbital. That is beta above principle, That is above principle. Pauli exclusion principle and Holmes rule. Learn this, understand this. Thank you.